Hello, good people. Happy New Year to you guys. Happy New Year to all of you. I wish you guys a wonderful New Year. Today, my setup is a little. I hope it's you guys can see me fine. Well, Happy New Year to you guys. This is the first time this year I'm coming on live. Maybe I should turn. Hold on, guys. Let me turn the orientation of my. Should be working good now. Yes, I think this is perfect now. Guys, let me know if you can see me. I'm using a certain device, so okay. Guys, can you hear me? Please let me know if you can hear me. Happy New Year to all of you. I wish you guys, I welcome you guys into the new year, and I wish you guys will have a beautiful and a blessed new year. We're all hoping for the best this new year. And this morning, again, we received fantastic news. I'm just so excited for this client. So I'm going to be jubilating and telling you all about it. Okay. So this client, very, very humble, very beautiful woman, beautiful inside, and inside especially has a lot of virtue. And very deserving, of course. She was ordered, removed, or deported from the United States in 2008. Okay, so she was issued something known as an NTA, notice to appear, and she was ordered removed from the United States in 2008. And since then, she didn't leave. She's been here, and so she's been living in the fear of, being caught or being deported for 12 years. Well, since 2008 would be what? 14 years. Sorry, guys, my math, help me. I think it's 14 years. Guys, I didn't even drop me your comments, please. You're welcome to this live video. I'm just rushing ahead of myself. Please forgive me. Drop me your comments. Drop me your best wishes. Let me know you're watching, and I'll be reading your comments soon. And yes, please help me with the calculation. 2008 to 2022, I would say 14 years roughly. So she was ordered, removed, or deported from the United States. And she has, children, many children, a number of children. And in April 2021, that's last year, I think she went to see a lawyer. April must have been April about 15th, 2021. She went to see a lawyer. Well, she's seen, I think, probably a couple of lawyers already or whatever. But she sent me the records from this lawyer that she had gone to see April 12th or something, 2021. And this lawyer reviewed her documents and told her absolutely nothing we can do. You've been ordered removed. So, there's really nothing I can do for you. So 2 weeks later, April 29th, 2021, the Supreme Court actually, ruled a case that's known as Ms. Chavez. I think I must have shared details of the case right here on this platform. And in the Supreme Court's ruling, there was basically a new ruling that would allow certain types of people that had deportation orders to be able to rescind or cancel or vacate those removal orders based on certain technicalities, procedural errors that were found on their NTAs, like defective NTAs and so on and so forth. So April 29th, the Supreme Court, rules on this landmark case, changing the law, right? Or giving a new opening. And so she comes to see me. I think she came to see me in September of 2021. And she was really smart with that, that she came to see me, even though a lawyer had told her, look, there's nothing we can do. Because after that lawyer had told her, a few days later, the Supreme Court actually gave out this new ruling or came up with this new ruling. So she came to see me September 2021, and then I reviewed her case, and I was like, oh my gosh, this falls, right within this new case law. So we had a very short time. We had until November, I think 11th or November 5th, I can't remember, 2021 to file whatever needed to be filed. And so she and the other good thing about it is that she had already filed a FOIA. And so we didn't have to spend months applying for a FOIA and waiting for the FOIA to come back. Because she had already filed a FOIA, she had retrieved all her immigration history. And so she came and she had all that ready because it takes months. So let me tell you this, everybody, whether you are documented, whether you're undocumented, you have the right to request, from the U.S. government, the information that they have about you concerning immigration. So depending on what your interactions have been, you can apply to different federal agencies. And so she had done this for you. So I had her entire packet. So I reviewed it. I did a legal review analysis of everything. I told her, you certainly should give this a shot. This could be your, last chance of getting this removal order rescinded or cancelled. I mean, she was nervous because, of course, all these years, it's not an easy situation to be in. But we worked with her very closely and we filed, her application. I remember I shared it even, I think it was about a 900-page document that we submitted to court and to the Arlington Immigration Court. And oh my goodness, guys, just this morning, I received the order from the judge that her deportation order had been cancelled. Okay. And well, so the thing is, they had granted the motion that we had filed to actually rescind or to cancel her deportation order. And this is just great, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful news. I'm just so excited for her. And of course, there's a next stage to this process. After they rescind or they cancel that removal order, you're now back in removal proceedings, and then you'll be offered the opportunity to again defend yourself and tell them or show cause why you think that that removal order should be cancelled. The removal proceedings should not go against you. I don't know if this makes sense, but bottom line, the motion has been granted. Now she no longer has a removal order against her. And so that is just superb. I'm so happy for her. And I'm just really thankful. I mean, all this, we're getting just great news this year. I think I already shared yesterday or 2 days ago, our client was sworn in as a latest U.S. citizen. So that's also very fantastic news for the year 2022. I couldn't be happier. It's all paying off, and of course, again, this is why we do what we do, because we can impact the lives of people, impact generations, and just bring healing to their family, healing and unity to their family. Guys, I'm very tired. I don't know. I'm very, very exhausted. So I won't be on here for long today. I just came to celebrate this major win. A 14-year-old deportation order being cancelled is no small feat. It's, very, very exciting, not only for us who worked hard to make sure that this happened, but also for her and her family, that there's hope. There's hope. There's hope for the future. Okay, so guys, this is a lesson. Even if you've gone to see a lawyer and they told you there's nothing they can do, you never know. You never know. Sometimes things change. And this Nis Chavez case, lots of people didn't even know about it. Some lawyers didn't even know that this was happening, So it was only the people that knew that were filing all these things for their clients. And again, just make sure that you are always ready. You have your FOIA ready. You have all your documents ready, because when there's any change in law, once you have all these documents ready, it's easy to have an attorney review everything again for you and to tell you what your rights are. Okay, don't wait until there's something before you try to file an application to actually get your immigration history. That's not helpful because there's a huge backlog and you're going to have to wait sometimes months, and by the time you're done waiting, maybe the deadline will be long gone. So I just came to let you guys know this wonderful news. I'll be making a post about it after this video. Well, I think I have a few more consultations today, and then I can, guys, drop me your comments. I don't see you guys commenting. How's the new year looking for you? Is it looking shiny? We're hoping for a great year at the law office. We have so many plans in place. We have lots of work we're doing for clients, and we're pouring our hearts, souls, and minds into these cases because we understand that legal work is life changing. It's not just just filing a bunch of forms. Anybody can file forms, but it's always connecting the dots using the law, making sure that what you're filing again is in line with the law, and you are meeting whatever standard you're supposed to meet. You are discharging whatever burden. You are, proffering the amount of evidence, the quantum of evidence that is required for your case in order to make sure that you make an approval for your case as easy for the adjudicator as possible. And that's what we strive to do. We put in a lot of work around the clock, behind the scenes, to make sure we're bringing solid legal representation to immigrants here in the United States. Oh my goodness, I'm just really, really happy, guys. I'm just so happy. So, just excited to share this news with you guys. Let me read a few comments that we're getting. Ernest Boedu Kwashi says, Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you, Ernest. Ernest, where are you connecting from? Are you in New York? Ernest says, Lawyer, you're echelon of the law of our time. I want to know how many months does it take to get your EAD? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, thank you so much for that compliment. I appreciate it. I try. Of course, I work with a wonderful team of people, and yes, we do our very best for every single case that comes onto our desk. So yes, how many months? It depends. On what basis are you applying for the EAD? Just December, they're actually expediting EADs for health workers. So it depends on what type of work you do and, what type of application that you have already filed. Is it a VAWA? Is it an adjustment of status? So that will all depend. It's just very, very hard to gauge. But yes, the EADs, the work permits are taking some time. Could take 8 months, 12 months. I don't know. It just really depends. More information is needed. But yeah, if you want to file a case status inquiry, just make sure you go onto the U.S.A.'s website. And if you think that they may have delayed, you could file a case status inquiry. And then within 30 days, usually they'll get back to you, because I just recently filed one for a client who's on asylum. And before the 30 days, she was very worried she didn't have her work permit because what she had expired. And within the 30 days, we filed the case status inquiry. And within I think 15 days, they had already, I think it was 21 days, they had already renewed her EAD and sent it to her. It was a renewal of EAD. So just try to do a follow-up with the U.S.A. to see how they can help you. And yes, you can call us, and then we can look into your case and see if we can help as well. Osuji Collins says, Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you. Anna says, I'm in Virginia. Okay, Virginia, Stafford. Okay, good. Okay, that's not too far from here. Anna says, okay, K1 fiancé visa on EAD adjustment of status. Okay, I see. Yes. Well, it's not sure. There's a huge backlog. Again, it could take 8 months, 7 months, 12 months. It's just really hard to tell. Olamide Adebayo says, well done. Oh, guys, can you believe? Oh my gosh. So I have my new clip-on mic and it's plugged into the phone, but for some reason I forgot to plug it, to clip it on my shirt, and I've been talking and it's connected, but I've been talking without it. Well, I'm happy you guys seem to have heard me. Is it any better now? Is it any clearer? Like, can you guys see my new clip-on mic? Oh gosh. I can't believe I forgot. Okay, so there it is. I don't know if this helps, makes it clearer or whatever, but yes, it's specifically for our videos to make sure that I'm bringing you, very clear sound, and then we can enjoy the engagement with one another as we discuss U.S. immigration law. Okay, well, Ernest Wedi Kashi says it's super clear. Oh, that's good. That's good. Thank you so much for confirming that, guys. I have to leave you. I just wish you a wonderful year. A very, very happy new year to you guys. Work on your goals. Don't sit on your oars. It's a new year, but it requires work. So, in whatever capacity, just put in the work, put in the effort, take the steps, be bold, dream big, and go for it. Okay, go for it. And remember that if you take tiny steps, it's much better than just waiting for to fly or whatever, like all these pie in the sky dreams. So take tiny, tiny, tiny steps, and then you'll slowly get to your goal. Okay, guys, I will see you in the next video. I wish you a wonderful rest of your day. And yes, we represent clients all around the United States. We represent clients, immigrants at their immigration interviews, help them with the filing of their applications, help them to put together, the applications and assess, legal situations, legal options, and immigration law for them. So feel free to contact us. My team is on standby. We're waiting to talk to you and to assist you. Okay. I'll see you guys soon. So take care. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.